Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the app settings for the Eureka J15 Ultra. The J15 Ultra is linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. Here's a look at the J15 Ultra within the Eureka app, where we can enter in to the vacuum right here, see our map, previous cleaning stats. We'll go over the settings. We'll start in the top right-hand corner, selecting those three dots. From here, we have scheduling options, so we can add a schedule. Choose your start time, which days of the week you want it to repeat. Then we can choose the cleaning mode. Which mode do you want? And then we have full clean, or if we want to select individual rooms, we can do that schedule. Next, we have work log. This is where we can see our cleaning history as well as our patrol history for the live video monitoring. Map management, we can have multiple maps here. This is where you create a new map or manage your current map. Cleaning settings is next. You'll want to spend a couple of minutes here. So we have our carpet cleaning mode. We can choose multiple settings when it encounters carpet. We have enhanced edge and corner cleaning. We can toggle that on or off. Flexible edge cleaning, gap cleaning, enhanced cleaning beneath and around desks and chairs. Hair cutting settings, so you can do never, standard, or turbo. And a one-off is super strong cutting. You can't leave that on, but you can toggle it on for one use. Threshold pressurization cleaning, auto recharge and resume. So there's a lot of settings you'll want to enable or disable depending on your cleaning preferences. Then we have our video settings here. So we can adjust. Then we have our voice settings here. We can adjust the language and the volume. Multiple voices, some male, some female. Station settings, just like the cleaning settings, you'll want to spend a minute here. You can adjust the mop washing frequency, self-empty frequency, soft self-emptying, mop washing mode, hot water washing, water temperature, auto drying, drying mode, duration. There's a lot to customize here. Accessory lifetime is going to be the breakdown of when it's time to replace certain parts and components. General settings, that's going to be more device specific, like child lock, do not disturb. We can turn the LED light on or off here. We can disable it or have it on auto. Adjust area, factory reset, restart, all of that under general. Then we have some other features. If you want to turn them on or off, you can. So intelligent deep cleaning, spot stain cleaning, multiple options there. AI video patrol settings. You can adjust and change your password, reset it. Then we have manual control. You can drive the vacuum around. Find My Robot, we can locate it. View device info, firmware, instructions. Basically, you have feedback and FAQ section. All of that under the settings. Back on our main overview here, below the settings dot, we have our map tools. This is where we can pick and choose between our maps, backup, restore, rename, or delete. Then we can add things like virtual walls, no-go zones, no mop zones, thresholds, all of that drag and drop right there you can customize. And below that's video patrol, where we have the live video monitoring, where you can drive it around or have it patrol and take photos and videos in real time. And below that we have three tabs: full, room, and zone cleaning options. We can add up to 5 zones and clean each zone up to 3 times. Here's our full or our room clean. All of those options there. And then we can adjust our cleaning settings, starting with customize, so you can do a room by room clean and get it exactly how you want. We have just mopping with multiple path preferences, basically quick to really detailed. We have just vacuuming. You can adjust the suction power, same thing with the path preference. Tic-tac-toe mode, basically it will crisscross sweeping and mopping. We have vacuum then mop if you want. We have vacuum and mop at the same time. And then we have smart AI right here. So worry-free, all of that right there for your cleaning mode. So a lot of customization and features within the Eureka app for our lovely Eureka J15 Ultra.